Hello, great to have you with us on ERi-TV for English news broadcast live from the headquarters in Asmara at exactly 10:30 p.m. Today is Thursday, 21st of December 2023. The following are the top stories for this evening. Message of congratulations to the state of Kuwait. Yearly activity assessment meeting in Ansaba region. China urges Philippines to act with caution amid South China Sea dispute. Venezuela and U.S. reach prisoner swap deal. President Isaias Afwerki sent message of congratulations to Sheikh Mashal Al-Ahmed Al-Jaber Al-Ahmed for his succession as Emir of the state of Kuwait. In his message on behalf of himself and the Eritrean people, President Isaias expressed his best wishes to Sheikh Mashal Al-Ahmed Al-Jaber Al-Ahmed and development and prosperity to the people of the sisterly country of Kuwait. Noting the profound friendship of the two peoples and countries, President Isaias expressed his expectation that the friendly relation between the two countries will develop to the highest level. The administration of Ansaba region from 18th to 19th December convened the year 2023 activity assessment meeting and charted out 2024 action plan. According to report presented in the meeting, in the education sector, 13 schools have been upgraded to the next level. Student enrollment has increased by 12%, and call was made for enhanced concerted efforts for better outcome. Regarding the elevation of potable water crisis and development of agriculture, 4 dams have been fully constructed and 7 more are under construction. Concerning water and soil conservation activities, over 15,000 hectares of terraces have been constructed, roundabout farmlands, and over 4,600 hectares of water diversion schemes have been renovated. According to the report on health activities, thanks to the strong effort exerted, trachoma is in the verge of elimination in 8 subzones, and eye surgeries conducted on 135 nationals in Asmat subzone was an experiential success. In a concluding speech, the governor of Ansaba region, Ambassador Abdullah Musa, called for preserving the already registered achievements and strengthening all-around participation in the implementation of the program for 2024. The Eritrean Community Festival in Qatar commenced on 19th of December in Doha, graced by the head of the Organizational Affairs of PFDJ, Mr. Yusuf Saiq. At the opening ceremony, a number of ambassadors, members of the diplomatic community, as well as nationals and friends of Eritrea took part. The festival is featuring seminars on objective situation of the homeland, exhibition and various performances depicting the Eritrean tradition and way of life. The festival, which will stay open until 24 December, is being highlighted by cultural and musical performance by Sivrit Cultural Troupe from Eritrea. As a result of the concerted promotional campaign on the part of the Voluntary Blood Donor Association in the Southern Region and the National Blood Transfusion Service, 700 units of blood has been donated by students of Adiwagri and Haven schools from 11th to 16th of December. Nurse Orbay Johannes from the National Blood Transfusion Service said that the initiative taken by the students attests to the growing awareness of the students on voluntarily donating blood with a view to save lives with their renewable blood, and commended the students for the initiative they took. Commending the participation of students and government employees for voluntarily donating blood aimed at enriching blood supply of health facilities, Nurse Orbay said that strong effort is being exerted to ensure that no life is lost due to lack of blood. Underlining that blood donation is not to be left to the members of the association only, Mr. Afwerki called on the public to strengthen participation in the effort. We'll be back in a couple of seconds with international news. Stay tuned. China's Foreign Minister Wang Yi has urged Manila to act with caution over the hotly contested South China Sea as his Philippines counterpart, Enrique Manalo, noted the need for dialogue between the two countries. Tension between Beijing and Manila over the waterway has risen in recent months, particularly in the Scarborough Shoal and Second Thomas Shoal, where Manila has accused the Chinese Coast Guard of dangerous actions against Filipino boats during regular resupply mission to sailor on the Sierra Madre, which was grounded there in 1999. Manila has lodged dozens of diplomatic protests over China's behavior and earlier this month summoned the Chinese ambassador after the collision between Chinese and Filipino vessels. Wang and Manalo spoke by phone yesterday with China's foreign ministry, releasing a 5-paragraph readout of discussion, noting that Manalo had talked about Manila's views on Second Thomas Shoal, but alleged that any spike in tension was Manila's fault. Second Thomas Shoal lies about 195 kilometers from the western Philippine island of Palawan and more than 1,000 kilometers from China's southern Hainan Island. Beijing seized Scarborough Shoal from Manila after a month-long standoff in 2012. In exchange for a jailed ally of President Nicolas Maduro, have arrived back in the United States in latest sign of improving relations between Washington and Caracas. The group, including 6 citizens the U.S. considered wrongly imprisoned, landed at the San Antonio military base in Texas yesterday. All the Americans who were wrongfully detained in Venezuela are now safe back in the United States, U.S. National Security Advisor Jake Sullivan wrote on social media platform X, "Welcome home." The government of Bolivarian Republic of Venezuela celebrated with joy and liberation and returned to his homeland of 4 diplomat Alex Saab, who until today was unjustly kidnapped in U.S. jail. The Venezuelan government said in a statement. Alex Saab is a Colombian entrepreneur, a very close ally for Nicolas Maduro, a person who is seen here as a bag man for the Venezuelan regime. The White House said Venezuela had also agreed to release at least 20 Venezuelan prisoners, including political detainees. The prisoner swap talks were facilitated by Qatar, the White House said. Qatar's chief negotiation met Maduro last week. While relations between the U.S. and Venezuela remain uneasy, the two nations have taken steps to ease tensions in recent months. Now we have a quick recap of the top stories. Message of congratulations to the state of Kuwait. Yearly activity assessment meeting in the Ansaba region. China urges Philippines to act with caution amid South China Sea dispute. Venezuela and U.S. reach prisoner swap deal. That wraps up our news broadcast for this evening. Thank you for watching.